China would be thrilled if they could subsidize their way into destroying the American automotive apparatus. Wow. Partly for economic reasons, but there's another reason that I don't know if you've thought of. How did the United States win World War II? Just big. I know that's a big picture question.
A lot of it was manufacturing.
Exactly. And that manufacturing, some of it was new factories, but most of it was taking over old factories. So we took all of our farm implement factories, like John Deere and Caterpillar. They were building tanks and guns. We took all our automotive factories. We had them building aircraft. We had them building weapons. We had them building missiles. In fact, we even designed those weapons so they could be manufactured by those plants. But literally the specifics of how thick of a gauge of metal you could bend to a certain radius. We were limited by the automotive manufacturing machines as to what we could do in aircraft. And so we won because we had all of this automotive and other industrial capacity. China would love to wipe out the American automotive industry, partly for economic reasons, because it also means we will never be able to fight a war against them. Imagine in America with we've lost a lot of manufacturing. You're probably familiar with that. We don't make nearly as much as we used to, but we still make a few things. We still have some things that we do, and cars is one of them. And we even export those cars. We're doing okay on cars. If China could wipe out our industrial capacity entirely, they never need to worry about fighting a war with the U.S. again, because they know that we wouldn't be able to get back in the game fast enough to matter. And so that's China's aim there. And it gets back to what you talked about earlier. It's this civil military fusion. Mm-hmm. So this is there's the economic war and the kinetic war that they could win with one move, which is outcompeting our automotive industry.
That's interesting. I never did think of that.